Integers, positive and negative numbers. Class 6, NCERT. We've studied natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which continue indefinitely. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also continue indefinitely. Whole numbers can be placed on the number line, and so can we place natural numbers on the number line. Let us examine the following opposite situations which we can think as positive or negative. Money credit to your bank account is positive. If you take out money from your bank account, it is negative. Rupees 7 credited to your account can be represented by a positive number plus 7, and rupees 7 debited from your account can be represented by a negative number minus 7. Going up the stairs from the ground level is positive. Going down the stairs from the ground level is negative. Ground level may be called the zero level. Then going up one floor can be represented by a positive number plus 1. Going down one floor from the ground level to the basement can be represented by a negative number minus 1. Similarly, profit in a transaction can be represented as a positive number. Loss in a transaction can be represented as a negative number. Above sea level, if we have any place, it can be represented by a positive number. A place which is below sea level can be represented by a negative number. Circular movement in the clockwise direction we take as a positive number, and circular movement in the anti-clockwise direction is represented as a negative number. Going forward some steps, we can take it as positive number. Going back some steps can be represented by a negative number. Flying east, we say, is a positive number representation. Flying west is a negative number representation. Walking north is a positive number, and walking south is a negative number. Warmer temperatures above zero are represented as positive numbers. Cooler temperatures below zero are represented as negative numbers. Winning points in a game is denoted by a positive number. Losing points in a game are denoted by a negative number. Gaining weight can be a positive number, and losing weight can be a negative number. All these examples make us think that we need to have a new set of numbers which can represent the opposite situations. Integers are represented on a number line below, with positive numbers and negative numbers on either side of 0, which continue indefinitely in both directions. 0 is a neutral number. It is neither positive nor negative. The negative numbers 0 and positive numbers together are known as integers. This is a number line. Numbers increase to the right and decrease to the left. So we now have a set of new numbers, the negative numbers 0 and the positive numbers, which we call as integers. A number line can also be drawn vertically. Here 0 is in the middle. Positive integers are above 0. Negative integers are below 0. Numbers increase in the upward direction and decrease in the downward direction. Then going up one floor can be represented by a positive number +1. Going down one floor from the ground level to the basement can be represented by a negative number -1. Mount Everest is 8,848 meters above sea level. It can be represented by a positive number +8848. Dead Sea is 430 meters below sea level and can be represented by a negative number -430. The numbers increase on moving from left to right on the number line. A number which is on extreme right on the number line is the greatest number among a given set of numbers. The number decrease on moving from right to left on the number line. A number which is on extreme left on the number line is the smallest number among a given set of numbers. Draw a number line and place the numbers on it. Whichever number is on the extreme left is the smaller number. Let's do some examples. 3, 5. Which number is to the left of 5? 3. So 3 is less than 5. Now we take -1 and 5. -1 is to the left of 5. So -1 is less than 5. 0 and 5. Again, 0 is to the left of 5. So 0 is less than 5. 0 and -5. Now 0 is to the right of -5 and -5 is to the left of 0. So 0 is greater than -5. Now -2 and -5. -2 is to the right of -5. So -2 is greater than -5. -4 is to the left of -1. So -4 is less than -1. -3 and 0. -3 is towards the left of 0. So -3 is less than 0. 5 -5. Now 5 is to the right of -5. So 5 is greater than -5. 5 and -2. 5 again is to the right of -2. So 5 is greater than -2. All positive integers are greater than 0 as positive integers are to the right of 0. All negative integers are smaller than 0 as 0 is to the right of all negative integers. All positive integers are greater than all negative integers as all positive integers are towards the right of all negative integers. Greater the positive integer, the smaller is its negative integer. That is its opposite. Let us consider some examples. 7 is greater than 6. Now let us consider -7 and -6. Now -7 is to the left of -6. So -7 is less than -6. 5 is greater than 1. -5 is less than -1. because minus 5 is towards left of minus 1. Write 5 integers which are less than 1. Now we look at the number line and we move towards the left because all the integers which will be on the left of 1 will be less than 1. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. All these are to the left of 1. Now write 7 integers greater than negative 5. So we have to write integers greater than minus 5. So we move towards the right. Now minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. All these are to the right of negative 5. So they are 7 integers which are greater than minus 5. Let's arrange the integers in ascending order. Ascending order will be minus 6, minus 3, minus 2, 4, 5. 5 is the biggest integer and minus 6 is the smallest integer. Let us now arrange the integers in descending order. Let's do that. Descending order will be 6, 5, 1, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 7. Minus 7 is the smallest integer in all these integers and 6 is the greatest integer. Successor of an integer is the next integer on the number line on the right. Successor of minus 4 is minus 3. Successor of 3 is 4. Successor of minus 5 is minus 4. Successor of 0 is 1. Successor of minus 1 is 0. All the successors are to the right of the first integer. Predecessor of an integer is the previous integer on the number line on the left. Now predecessor of minus 4 will be minus 5 which is to the left of minus 4. Predecessor of 0 is minus 1 because minus 1 is to the left of 0. Predecessor of 1 is 0. Predecessor of minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 is towards the left of minus 2. The absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of the integer without considering its sign. Now absolute value of minus 4 is equal to 2 lines on either side of minus 4 and this is equal to 4. The 2 lines on either side of minus 4 is the sign for absolute value. Absolute value of 3 is equal to sign of absolute value of 3 is equal to 3. Now absolute value of minus 3 also is equal to 3. Absolute value of 0 is 0.